So today we'll be creating a photo gallery using Tkinter library. So let's just get started. So firstly we'll import Tkinter as tk, जो कि हम हमेशा करते हैं. And after that we'll import the pill. From pill we'll import image tk and image. सिर्फ ये दो modules हमें चाहिए, so we'll import just those two modules. And after that, what we are going to do is import the OS. And अब OS भी import हो गया, सब हो गया, so we'll create a class calling it the photo gallery. और inside that class we'll define some functions like init. Basic init function define कर देंगे, जिसके अंदर we'll just firstly create the frame. Frame के अंदर हम क्या रखेंगे? So self dot master. And inside this we'll say self dot self master ऊपर define कर देंगे arguments में, and we'll say self dot master is equal to master. Then we'll say master dot title, and the title will have like something like photo gallery. Simple title, photo gallery. That's it. Now we'll just create a frame, like frame बना देते, frame to hold the photo. So we'll say self dot frame is equal to tk dot frame, Tkinter dot frame. और frame कैसी होगी? So it will be master. और self dot frame dot pack at the end, जैसा कि हम हमेशा करते हैं. Self dot frame dot pack. Okay, perfect. So now we want the images, like images आएंगी कहाँ से? So directory we need to define, so we'll just load the images from a directory. Okay, from a directory. So directories कहाँ से आएंगी? So firstly we'll create an array of the images. Now what we're going to do is current images. हमारे पास currently कितनी images है? So we'll just say 0, and after that we'll create a for loop. So first we'll say current images is equal to 0. Now we'll create a for loop. For loop एक चला देंगे जिसके अंदर सारी images होंगी. So file name in OS list directory. So list directory कहाँ पे है? Directory का नाम images होगा. You can see on the left hand side images नाम की directory है. So now we are going to like open every single image. Image is equal to image dot open. OS path join. We'll say something like OS path join. But we are forgetting one thing. If file name ends with png, अगर फाइल का ना एक्सटेंशन png है तो ही वो फाइल खुलनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज वी डोंट वांट दैट फाइल. ये कंडीशन यहाँ लगा रहा हूँ. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू कीप दिस कंडीशन, फील फ्री टू डोंट नॉट कीप इट. इफ वाला स्टेटमेंट सिर्फ हटा दो एंड यू विल जस्ट फील फ्री टू गो. सो ओपन OS path join, and once we are done with that we'll just say the name of the directory, which is in our case images, comma file name. Once we're done with that we'll now create one more. Image is equal to image dot resize, and the size will be 400 and 400. Yes, 400 pixel in height and 400 in width, not 300, 400. Okay, image analyze. Okay, perfect. Now self images dot append image tk dot append. So now we'll append everything into the array that we have created. Okay, so photo image. So once we are done with that we'll now create a label to display this, and inside that we'll just say self dot label is equal to, oh wait a second, self dot label is equal to tk dot label. Let's just say tk dot label inside this, and inside tk dot label we'll say self dot frame, and images is equal to self dot images. That's it. No, inside that self dot images we'll say self current images. That is what array is. And at the end we'll just say self label dot pack. So once we're done with that we will now create the buttons to change the images. So let's just say create button to change image, create button, so to change image. So firstly we'll say a previous button, which will be preview button. So let's just create the previous button. Inside the previous button, we'll just say tk.button master text previous, and after that we'll just say command is equal to self dot previous image. So this will be a function. Previous image एक function है which we will define afterwards. Like दो button पहले बना लेते हैं, like previous image वाला button और एक next button वाला next image वाला button. So ये दोनों button बना लेंगे and after that we'll define the function. Okay, so let's just do that real quick. So previous button तैयार हो चुका है and now we are going to create the next button. So the next button is as same as that, same to same here next button B. So let's just create that one too. Okay, next button on the right side. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we are going to define both of these things, like previous image or next image. So first we'll define the previous image. So previous image कैसी होनी चाहिए? So I would just say self dot current image minus equals to 1. This will be the logic. And if current image is equal to 0, अगर current image 0 है तो length of the self image minus 1. दिस इज बेसिक लॉजिक है यार, ये किसी भी इमेज को चेक करने का बेसिक लॉजिक है. 2-3 बार ये लॉजिक पढ़ोगे फिर भी समझ आ जाएगा कि यार क्या कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ मैं. तो पढ़ो तो समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो self label config and here comes the array self current images, like every single image that we have, and the final thing will be the next image. Next image भी almost same ही है, थोड़ा difference है. So we'll just I believe we should copy like these upper thing and let's just paste it over here, so we do not have to write a lot of every single code. So we'll just copy it and down here paste, and changes हमें करने कहाँ है, इसको प्लस कर देना है, and we need to make changes over these two lines like if वाले statements में. So current underscore image is equal to length of self images. That is what we are going to use over here. And once done with that, we'll just say self dot current images is equal to 0. That's it. नीचे वाली line पूरी निकाल देंगे. We'll just erase these line. Okay, so done. Our code is ready. And the last thing हम tk में क्या करते हैं? So root is equal to tk dot बड़ा tk. We'll just simply say, and we'll create photo underscore gallery, and inside that we'll just simply say photo gallery root. So photo gallery galley, no, not galley, gallery r galati r photo gallery root. That's it. And at the end I'll just say root dot main loop and we're done. So let's just run our program. Say python main.py, and we have an error, and I think it is over here. Okay, just make it small and you can see this is the output. You can see. So keep calm, work hard.